Video today to show you how to remove the front door card on your Range Rover L405. So we're doing this because we're upgrading this door pull here to a cast aluminium type because we think it looks quite cool. But there could be other things you do. You might have a problem with the lock cable, or you might even want to change some of the wood because you have to remove it if you want to change this wood, this gloss bit, or your electric window switch. Any of those things that you can't get at, we're going to do. Right, so we've done that side. Now obviously we're a UK model. We're going to do the more complicated side, which you can see here is the driver's side. I think it's going to be the same, but sometimes you get some extra functions where you've got the bigger switch pack in here. But we'll have a go. So we've done one side, so with any luck we'll look like we know what we're doing, but that can't be guaranteed.
I think all the tools we need are a T20 Torx, a T30 Torx, and a little flathead screwdriver. That should be all we need.
Where are we starting here?
Top corner, you've got a little plastic insert here. So
there's a little hidey panel.
Screwdriver.
Oh, he's on a little tether, is he?
Yeah, he's on a little tether, he ain't going anywhere. Well, we got that in our hand. If we look in behind the handle here, you'll see a little panel that should have a little notch in it. If I get behind it.
Something's come out. Show us how that one works, eh?
So you got a little cut out in the back here, just by the handle. Take the screwdriver in, lever towards you, and that'll come out.
Pink.
Exposing another screw.
Okay. Ooh, yeah.
Cool. There's one more of those around the bottom, on the bottom of the door card.
What, is it cover panel or just an exposed screw?
Just an exposed screw. That's your 3 T20 Torx. So one behind each of those panels and one around the bottom in the middle. We'll just whip those out quickly.
So on level of complexity, I'd rate this as easy to medium difficulty if you're just getting the door card off. It's the sort of thing you could do on the drive on a Saturday morning. It's
just finding where these screws are, that's the only thing. You can just feel that one on the bottom.
You're not getting your knees dirty today, Ian?
No. Practiced at this now, we've just done the other side. So.
Christmas hat, like where Ian's Christmas hat, like, see? Right, so are they all the same? Let's have a look at those when we get them out.
There's one short one.
So where do you reckon that one comes from, man?
Well, that's the confusing thing about our car, is on 3 door cards, the short one has been in 3 different places.
Okay.
To be honest.
Right, let's have a look.
I don't think there's much difference, there's not a lot of length difference in it.
So one of them is, so just watch when you take them out of your car, just watch where the short one comes from.
We don't know if ours have been apart before.
Well, but if you put them back where they came out, but be warned, there is a shorter one, possibly. Right, so that's the Torx T20s. What other little chestnuts have you found?
We've got a Torx T30. So to open up
pull down the little pouch.
Cubby hole. And we're going to go...
Hold on, if I get the camera.
Difficult to see.
Yeah, no,
it should be a...
I've just about got the camera there.
So yeah, we're on T30 now. And this one you've got to do all by feel.
Is it some funny sort of angle up there, is it? Yeah, that's... Because that's how you grab the door, isn't it? So that one's got there.
These are
the big ones taking the force when you close the door.
But yeah, they're a bit of a pain to try and find. Let me go to the other one. So there's 2 of these, one at the front, one at the back. There we go, we're in that one.
You got that one. That's quite straight, that one, isn't it?
And these 2 bolts don't really want to fall out until you take the door card off.
Let's have a little look at that one. Oh yeah, he's right up in there. If I get the camera about right, there we go. We can see him in there. Loose, yeah, so you loosen them, but they stay in there.
They will until you take the
guard off, and then they'll just ping on the floor.
And then they'll drop everywhere. Okay.
He's on it now. Just warming up.
Not as practiced as I thought it was.
So again, as long as you spin it enough times, loose.
There it comes
Yeah.
loose. And then we need to go.
Should we shut that pouch? Shut that pouch, and then they should fall into the. Right, sorry.
Just using the inside of that
I'm going to
pocket
zoom out a little bit. That's it.
just to give that a pull. And you're not going to take the whole plastic off. It separates on that first join around there. So you're not taking all of this
that off.
plastic.
Yeah, I got it. There you go, you can see where it comes off there. Yeah, and what do you do at the top here? Because sometimes you have to lift them up.
You just go straight towards yourself.
Straight towards, yeah, we can see the clips there. Alright, now you've got two connections in here. You've got...
So the first one you need to do is you need to pull that cable
Hold on, let me make sure, yeah, I'm on it.
out towards you.
Yeah, out from the retaining clip.
And then if you keep spinning it round and lift it up, so we'll show you that.
We'll show you that later, yeah.
Closer in a second. And then there's a big plug, single plug,
Electrical
at
plug.
the bottom. You just push in the centre of it to release the clip.
Yeah.
Pull that down.
And that's
the
the door card off. Right, let's just quickly, I'll just grab the pull and show you that pull, because that's going to be the tricky bit when you come to put it back on. Okay, so when you come to put the door card back on, the tricky bit is going to be getting this thing back in. So Ian's going to show you. With
so we've got a separated handle here, and what you're trying to do is when the door card's fitted, the inner cable sits like this. So you've got to release that outer cable, and then you've got to spin this round till it lines up, and then it should just slide straight up and out.
That's it.
Of that slot.
And the reverse.
So the reverse is slide that in. Pop that in, spin it round, and then clip that back into the door card.
Other than that, that should be easy enough. Now we will put another video and I'll do the little pointy thing. If you want to know how to strip the door card down, if you're changing the aluminium bit, I'll put a little link there and you can go and watch us have fun doing that.